everyone, today I'm going to make another short video. So it's called Baigan Bharta, aubergine Bharta. So what I do, I got 3 Baigan aubergine, I cook it and then I'm going to grill it in the oven for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to cook on the pan. So I'll show the full process. So let's put it in the oven for 15 minutes now. And before that, cooking is done, so I just add some oil so it doesn't get dry. Okay, so let's grill it now. So aubergine is grilled now, you can see it's still steaming. So what I do now, I just peel the skin off and cut it in small pieces and start to cook. Now I just cut the end feet and peel the skin off. Like this, and make it skinless. All the skin taken off, so I'm just going to cut small pieces, 3 of them. Just cut it in small pieces. So now I start to make Baigan Bharta. So I got one pan is ready. I put some. Let's add some mustard oil at 3 tablespoons. Now I'm gonna add 1 sliced onion. Let's fry onion for 3 minutes. My onion slice is fried, so I'm going to add some salt, 1 teaspoon, chopped garlic, fried for another 1 minute. Onion and garlic is golden brown now. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of haldi powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Now I'm going to add 1 chopped tomato, mixing together. So with your mustard oil, it will give very good flavor. So I'll cook tomato until it gets melt. Then I'll add chopped baigan. Add 2 tablespoons of water. It will help to melt tomato easily. Now, so I'm going to add some spring onion, and now I'm going to add this baigan, chopped baigan. Have to mix it properly and cook until it gets mashed. All the bacon is mashed now. So what I do, I'm going to add some tamarind sauce, English sauce, 1 tablespoon, and dry chili, fried dry chili, break it to make it spicy. Put like 3 of them, and bit of coriander. Everything mixed together, it's ready to serve. Just give final mix and it should be ready. The special Baigan Bharta is ready. Thank you for watching.